Okay, picture this. You're standing outside under a scorching midday sun. Your energy is just rapidly draining away, and that rising internal body temperature, it feels completely impossible to control. Well, welcome to today's explainer, where we're going to explore a fascinating natural heat sink that might just be the most vital discovery you make this entire season.
So, how do you truly reset your body when the air literally feels like a furnace and blasting the AC just isn't cutting it? You know that feeling, right? When you have that desperate need for a deep internal reset during a brutal heat wave, you need something way more than just a cold glass of water to pour on the fire. You need a biological thermostat to regulate your system from the inside out.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our roadmap for today. We'll hit the ultimate summer coolant, the biological mechanism, Gond versus Gond Katira, health and weight benefits, and wrap up with how to use it safely.
Section 1. The ultimate summer coolant, the ultimate refresh.
So we're talking about Gond Katira. Scientifically, that's Astragalus gummifer, or you might know it in English as Tragacanth gum. Basically, it's a natural gum tapped from the sap of these specific thorny shrubs out in the dry regions of the Middle East and parts of Asia. But here is the absolute crucial point to understand right off the bat. Unlike your standard gums that just easily dissolve in your glass, this crystal-like resin acts completely differently. It actually absorbs water to become this soft, translucent, and incredibly soothing jelly.
And listen, this is definitely not some trendy new wellness fad. It's held a prestigious place in both Unani and Ayurvedic traditions for literally centuries. They classify it as a sheetal, or cooling herb. In ancient Ayurvedic texts, its main job is to pacify excess heat and balance out the pitta dosha, that energetic element in our bodies that gets deeply aggravated during those intensely hot summer months.
Section 2. The biological cooling mechanism. Cooling from within.
Okay, let's look at the foundational science here. How does this herb actually manage heat? It all comes down to its incredible mucilaginous properties. As a mucilage, this substance has the wild ability to hold on to a massive volume of water. And then, this is the magic part, it provides a really steady, slow release of hydration to your bodily tissues over a long period of time.
Let's move to how this builds into a true internal cooling system, step by step. First, when this soaked gum hits your digestive tract, it retains a massive volume of water. Second, it slowly releases that moisture into your intestines. This is brilliant because it prevents rapid water loss from sweating, and rapid sweat loss is exactly what causes heat exhaustion. Finally, by maintaining this steady internal fluid reservoir, your circulatory system can efficiently flush excess heat right out of your blood and your vital organs. I mean, it's so effective that back in the day, travelers and farmers literally ate this stuff to create a layer of internal shade against sunstroke. How amazing is that?
And all this incredible thermal management leads to some pretty fantastic, really practical secondary outcomes. Maintaining that internal equilibrium actually reduces skin redness and dramatically tones down the intensity of those awful summer headaches. Plus, you'll experience way less afternoon fatigue. You're actually going to feel more alert right when the heat usually completely drains you. Ultimately, this stability supports your overall metabolic health, taking a huge load off your heart so it doesn't have to work nearly as hard to keep you cool when the temperature spikes.
Section 3. Gond versus Gond Katira. Know the difference.
Now, what's really interesting and absolutely critical on this slide is clearing up a massive point of confusion. A lot of folks mistakenly assume all natural gums are exactly the same. No way, they are absolutely not. Traditional Gond, or gum arabic, has a really warm thermal nature. You typically fry it and consume it in the dead of winter to give your body heat and energy. But on the complete opposite side, Gond Katira, or Tragacanth Gum, has a distinctly cooling nature. You always soak it in water to form a jelly, and you eat it in the summer. Mixing these two up during a heat wave by eating the winter variety? Yeah, that would be a massive mistake for your internal thermostat.
Section 4. Health and weight benefits. Weight and wellness.
So, beyond just cooling you down, Gond Katira can be a remarkable addition to your weight loss journey. The secret here is its naturally high dietary fiber content. Because it expands right in your stomach into this thick jelly, it creates a really lasting sensation of being full. This effortlessly stops you from overeating or snacking when you really don't need to. Since it's a super low-calorie herb that also promotes smooth digestion and flushes toxins out of your system, it's just a brilliant natural strategy for managing your weight goals during the summer.
Oh, and here is another fantastic, specific evening application. Try mixing it with cold milk at night. This traditional combo acts like a natural sedative for your body's internal heat, which really sets you up for deep, restful sleep. You get sustained hydration all night long, so you wake up feeling completely refreshed. But hey, quick caveat, actually, scratch that evening plan if you're someone who is prone to frequent colds or respiratory congestion. You should absolutely stick to drinking this during the warmer daylight hours instead, just to avoid overcooling your system while you sleep.
Section 5. How to use it safely. Best practices.
First things first, you've got to make sure you are using authentic, high-quality material. You can actually do a super simple authenticity check right at your kitchen counter. Authentic Gond Katira comes in these hard, pale white or light ivory crystals. When you drop it in water, it absorbs the liquid and puffs up significantly into this translucent jelly that looks a lot like crushed ice. It never, ever dissolves. If you've got the fake stuff or a cheap substitute, it's just going to dissolve completely in water or turn into a weird, sticky liquid. And if it dissolves, it simply isn't going to give you those amazing cooling benefits we've been talking about.
Once you have your authentic resin-soaked and ready to go, the daily dosage is about 1 to 2 tablespoons of that prepared jelly. But please pay extremely close attention to this crucial safety rule. You absolutely must significantly increase your daily water intake. Because it's such a highly absorbent fiber, your body requires extra fluids. If you don't drink enough water alongside it, the gum just won't move smoothly through your digestive tract, and trust me, that can cause some real discomfort.
And because of its intense cooling and absorbing nature, there are a few groups of folks who should just skip this remedy entirely. Avoid Gond Katira if you're dealing with chronic coughs, asthma, or frequent sinusitis, because that extreme cooling effect can easily aggravate those respiratory symptoms. Also, if you struggle with severe or chronic constipation, you need to consult a health expert before using this. Without enough liquid, the gum can literally harden up in your gut. It's always a smart move to start with a very small serving, just to monitor exactly how your unique system responds to the chill.
Now, if you're sitting there thinking this all sounds like just old folklore, check out this brilliant quote. Back in 1989, researcher D.M.W. Anderson wrote in the journal Food Hydrocolloids, "Tragacanth gum has a unique water-holding capacity that far exceeds many other natural resins." See? Modern botanical and pharmacological research perfectly validates centuries of traditional cooling therapy. Its behavior as a hydrocolloid is exactly why it works so flawlessly to cool us down. Science backing up tradition, you absolutely love to see it. So, what does this all mean for us today? I'll leave you with this final provocative thought. In a modern world where we rely so deeply on artificial air conditioning just to survive the summer, what other ancient biological thermostats are we entirely overlooking right in our own backyards? Nature usually holds the most elegant solutions if we just look closely enough. Think about that the next time you're desperately searching for a way to genuinely beat the heat. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Stay intensely curious, and for sure, stay cool out there.